Hold on just a second. I'm recording now.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds.
Mom, severe thunderstorm watch.
Okay.
This is EAS number 81.
Listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 92 has been issued until 3 a.m. Wednesday for the
Until 3 o'clock in the morning.
in Nebraska, Butler, Cass, Gage, Johnson, Lancaster, Odo, Saline, Sarpy, Saunders, and Sword.
Gage!
A severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles north of Shelby, or 12 miles south of Columbus, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations affected include Bruno, Octavia, Abbey, Linwood, Garrison, Rogers, Schuyler, David City, Rising City, Bellwood, and Brainerd. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
You have an allergic infection.
A severe thunderstorm warning until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler and Colfax.
Butler and Colfax. Here we go!
Oh no!
Suspected poisoning, figuring out if they were targeted or maybe it was random is where we're starting.
So we have no idea what the poison is, no connection between our victims, and no idea if our unsub likes to watch or is 100 miles away. How the hell are we going to stop this?
FBI Most Wanted is all new CBS Net.
Here we go!
North of Shelby, or 12 miles south of Columbus, moving east at 40 miles per hour.
There's the emergency alert system, severe thunderstorm warning.
Warning for southern Colfax County in northeastern Nebraska, but North County until 9:45 p.m. At 8:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles north of Shelby, or 12 miles south of Columbus, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bruno, Octavia, Abbey, Linwood, Garrison, Rogers, Schuyler.
Can I take off Cross Island on the living room?
Yeah, go ahead.
Lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler and Colfax.
Butler and Colfax.
Shut up!
Butler and Colfax.
I'm not gonna do it again. When I say be quiet, I'm trying to do something.
Let's do on the EAS on mom's and dad's television on the bedroom.
Everything in there?
Yeah?
When I say something, I mean it.
Odo, Saline, Sarpy, Saunders, and Sword. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Colfax County
Okay.
Butler County until 9:45 p.m.
Wait for it, the EAS. Go
A
up.
severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles north
Wait
of
for it.
or 12 miles.
There it is.
City, Rising City, Bellwood, and Brainerd. For your protection,
That was EAS number 82, 83, 84, and this is 85.
Warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler and Colfax.
Butler and Colfax.
Locations impacted include Bruno.
Skydiving, something that might,
A severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles southwest of Narca, or 11
Another one.
moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Endicott, Reynolds, Plymouth, Rock Creek Station State Historical Park, Cum Creek Recreational Area, Harmine, Fairburn,
Jefferson,
Steel City,
Gage.
Crystal Springs Campground, Buckley Creek Recreational Area, Jensen, Camp Jefferson, Odell, and Gladstone. For your
Until
protection,
10
move
o'clock.
to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Gage and Jefferson.
Gage and Jefferson. Another one.
Till 10:30 p.m. At 9:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles
Another one.
or
I
20
mean,
miles northeast of
Detective, 9 miles away.
northeast
Yeah.
at 45 miles per hour.
Continue.
Yeah.
Expected hazards include
Okay.
60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size
Okay.
hail.
Okay.
This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ames, Scribner, Morse Bluff, North Bend, Fremont Lakes State Recreation Area, Creek, Camp Eagle, Camp Cedars, Inglewood, Woodcliff, Winslow, Chequin Lake, Hupper, Cedar Bluffs, Ewing, Colon, Fremont, and Nickerson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Dodge and Saunders.
Dodge and Saunders. Here we go.
Jimmy!
Weather radio, broadcast radio, and television outlets.
the perfect beer for New England beaches.
Ladies and gentlemen, throwing out today's ceremonial first pitch, the face of the Pawtucket Patriot Brewery, Pawtucket Pat.
Please kill me! Still buy the beer though?
And now, a 5-hour baseball game.
Here we go. It's on Family Guy.
This is a radar. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning to vehicles is expected.
Northwestern
Expect wind damage to roofs.
Yeah.
And trees. A severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles west of North Bend, or 20 miles northeast of
Put the
David
camera
City.
on the octagon table.
Miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is radar indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. for the following counties.
Harrington beating his wife with a hammer, and to save her, he shot Harrington twice in the head.
warning remains expected at 10 p.m. for Jefferson and southwestern EAS counties. At 9:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Alaska, 14 miles southwest of Denver.
It's Brian with the EAS School banner.
My bringing his coffee and a note, the name Mark Winger, the address, and the time.
And for us, it was very simple. If it's a meeting, it's a murder.
Mark's attorney argued that Roger was mentally ill. He had this mask that he sort of worshipped, that he had had other erratic behavior, and he
Okay. Okay.
they put on their own experts to verify this.
Here we go, guys.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
We came by to share some great news.
That's right. Your character's so popular, you're gonna have a balloon in the annual co-op parade.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dodge County, northwestern Saunders County, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles west of North Bend, or 20 miles northeast of David City, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour.
The severe thunderstorm warning.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts
Got my
and quarter-size hail.
handheld radio skills
This is a
here.
radar indicated
Oh, this is for
threat.
Saunders County.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Wow.
Damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ames, Scribner, Morse Bluff, North Bend, Fremont Lake State Recreation Area, Craig, Camp Eagle, Camp Cedars, Inglewood, Woodcliff, Winslow, Checkman Lake, Upper, Cedar Bluffs, Ewing, Colon, Fremont, and Makerson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Dodge and Saunders.
Dodge and Saunders.
Be treated with over-the-counter medicines, but if you have more severe symptoms, you should contact your doctor. One of the vehicles.
Almost severe thunderstorm warning. Until 10:45 p.m. Nemaha and Udo. Wait, then. Here we go.